I like this road better. Instead of taking the back roads.
Yeah, fuck those back roads. This is faster. Yeah. This is faster.
Those back roads are creepy too. It's like, oh, so what if someone just jumps out of nowhere?
No lights either.
Yeah. It's like, how the fuck are you gonna...
Is he alright? I think that was the last one from Kris.
I want to.
You got any more?
Kris, it's 444.
Huh?
It's 444. Kris, you gotta take some Mucinex when you get home. You're sick. You're gonna get sick.
Really?
It's gonna take longer to get rid of if you don't take it.
Is it okay though if he takes it if he's intoxicated?
No, I don't think. He's gotta wait till he wakes up.
Yeah. Fuck.
What about Steve?
22.
Alright, we'll be back.